Hello, welcome to PlatonicRose Regiment, where I help you become masters of your own beauty and your kids as well. Thank you so much for joining me on Hair Wash Friday. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make a hair mask to add volume and also to add texture to your hair and keep your hair soft for the rest of the week. So stay tuned, keep watching. So today we are going to be making aloe vera hair mask, and I have some essential oils, my tea tree oil for removing dandruff from the scalp and preventing it and just cleaning the scalp, my rosemary oil for hair growth and hair thickness, and my Ylang oil for texture and softness. And then I have some carrier oils. I'm going to have them listed below. And then I also have some glycerin as well. And the glycerin is used for just keeping the moisture and locking it into the hair. And I have the gum and my almond powder to help get more thickness. So I'm going to just begin by cutting up my aloe vera juice, and then I'm going to set up the mixture. I'm going to add all the measurements below as well as my ingredients. I hope you guys enjoy this. So after I'm done screening my aloe vera juice out of the aloe, I'm just going to go ahead and begin measuring my oils and all the liquid stuff into the bowl of aloe vera mixture. So I like to do this to keep things separated, all the powder in one and all the mixture of liquids in one. And now that I have the paste, looks good and yummy and dewy, I'm just going to apply that to her hair. That's when I'm done applying it, it becomes soft and you can see her curls just popping. This was so much fun, guys. I look forward to seeing you guys back here next Friday with another hair wash day. Thank you.